find method is used to find something. Let me take a variable. So let's name it as US. Okay. So let's write here places and then dot find. So guys, this is a find method, and this will take a function as an argument, and that function can be named function or anonymous function. So let's write here function and let's name it as greet. Okay. And this function will take 3 parameters. First one is value. You can name it anything. Second parameter is index, and third parameter is array itself. So let me open this one and let's print them. So let's write console.log, let's write value, and then let's write index, and then let's write array. Array. Yeah, awesome. So let's write here node find.js. You see guys, first we got all the array elements, and then we got index of array elements, and then we got array itself. So that means this value represents the current element of this array. Okay, and this index represents the current index of element of an array, and this array represents the current array itself, that means the places. And this function will execute on every element of this array, or this function will run on every element of this array. Okay, awesome. Now we don't need all these things, so let's remove. Let's put the value, and here also let's remove all these things we don't need. And here instead of this, let's write I want to find out only the country which is USA. So we can write something called return value equal to USA. So return value equal to USA, and we can write here console.log what is that US. Okay, so let's clear this one and let's write node find.js. Yeah, you see guys, we got USA. So find method returns value of first element in an array that satisfies the given function. So here we have given a function and we have given a condition, right? If the first value of this array if is satisfying this condition, then this find method will print that value. Okay, although we have two USAs, first itself it is satisfying this condition, right? So immediately it will print this USA. Okay, that is the purpose of find method. Now let's say we are trying to find out something that doesn't exist in array. So maybe let's say I can write here Canada, right? Now let's see what we'll get. Yeah, you see guys, we got undefined. So when you try to find out or access things that are not there inside the array, it will print undefined. Now let's see one more example. So here I have an array of products. So let me copy them and let me paste them here. Yeah, now from this array, from these products, I want only one product which is HP. So for that we can write something called, let's take a variable. So let's name it as HP, right? And let's write products dot find, and let's take function, right? And let's open curly brackets, and let's take a parameter. So let me name it as P. Okay, and here let's write return P dot brand equal to HP. So if P dot brand equal to HP, just return that product. So I can write here console.log what is that, HP, right? Awesome. And here let's write, yeah, you see guys, we got only the product or only the object which is HP from this array of objects. Okay, so this is how we use find method to find particular element from an array. Now let's simplify this with arrow function. So we don't need this function keyword, and let's write here arrow function. Yeah, now when we have only one line and when we have only one parameter, we don't need this parenthesis also. So we don't need this one, and we don't need this return keyword also, because we are writing only one thing in one line. So yeah, let me remove this one and let me write here parenthesis. Yeah, awesome. So let me print this again. So before that, let me clear. Yeah, so let me write, you see guys, we got the same output. Now this looks much simpler, right? From the products array, we are finding out one product to which brand name is equal to HP. Okay, now this find method is case sensitive guys. For example, let's say I am trying to find USA, right? Let's give USA in small letters. So let's write here USA, and let's try to see what we'll get. So let me come here and let me write again node find.js. You see, we still got undefined because it's still not able to find out where is that USA. If I replace this with capital USA, it will print. So let me come here and let me write find.js. You see, now we got USA. And let's quickly change this to arrow function. So we don't need this greet and function statement, and let's put fat arrow here. And we don't need this parentheses since we have only one parameter, and we don't want this return keyword also. So let me write this here, let me remove that, and let me put it here. Yeah, awesome, looks much better. Okay, so let me run this again. So this is about find method, guys. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.